Good evening, everyone. We'll start this podcast in another 30 seconds. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to After Hours with William in India. My name is Rajashekhar Kongari, Equity Research Analyst. Before we go ahead into this podcast, I'd like to state the disclaimer for this presentation. Whatever stocks we discuss are only intended for educational purpose, should not be taken as an investment advice. Let's look into today's Nifty action. Nifty had a gap up opening today. However, you can see in the first half an hour, Nifty tried to make a new high on the intraday basis. However, as the session progressed, it was in the direction was clearly downtrend. You can see on the hourly basis and on the 10 to 15 hour candles, you can see Nifty try to make new lows on the intraday basis. But the only thing is that today is being in week monthly expiry of futures and options. It was a highly volatile session. Post 2:40 2:50 p.m. in the afternoon, there was a sharp surge in the index. You can see these sharp candles from 70,650. Nifty advanced more than 100 points, and it closed on the last trading price is around 70,700. This is because of monthly expiry. This volatility has come in. However, on the normal basis, Nifty closed not much higher. I can see if you open the Nifty daily chart, you can clearly see it, right? Nifty has advanced higher on the 7 consecutive sessions, and in the last session, that is on the Tuesday, it closed lower. Today Nifty closed higher. So you can clearly see Nifty is clearly trading above its key moving averages, starting from 50, 2100 and 200 EMS. But only thing that is lagging is there is lack of volume on the volume section. Even though Nifty is advancing higher, we are not seeing the adequate volume which is required for a follow through day. Also on the price action volume, price action wise, Nifty is not advancing on a high magnitude. We are looking for a 1.5% gain on a volume higher than the previous session, which is not happening. That is the reason we are being staying sidelines. However, we have been looking into stocks which are very resilient in the current market structure, and we are also looking into current market structure where stocks are forming right side of the base patterns and also which are breaking out from their base patterns. We have a watch list of those stocks. As soon as the Nifty gives an FTD, we'll be very quick in adding stocks to our model portfolio. So if you are interested in our in our model portfolio, please be watchful of these stocks, and please be ready as soon as we add them to our model portfolio. You could also add them to your portfolio. Coming to the today's Nifty 50 action, you can see clearly metal stocks have outperformed the market today, starting with JSW, which closed 5.7% higher, Hindalco 3.6% higher, Tata Steel 3.2% higher. Power Grid and Adani ports have closed 2.6 to 2.7% higher. On the decliner side, Bajaj Finance twins that is Bajaj Finserv and Bajaj Finance have closed 1.8% lower. Asian Paints, which is a leading in the sector, has closed 1.2% lower. Tech Mahindra, which is a very good IT company, has closed 0.8% lower. Bajaj Auto 0.6% lower. This is in regard to Nifty 50 stocks. On the sectoral front, you can see all the sectoral indices have closed higher except for Nifty IT, which closed 0.5% lower. And the biggest gainer is Nifty Realty, which closed nearly 3% higher, and also Nifty Metal. This is because of stocks like JSW, Hindalco, Tata Steel, which closed 3% higher, and Nifty Metal as an index has closed more than 2.7% higher. Coming to the major stocks which have reported during the market hours in today's session, Vigard has released their September quarter results. Revenue has increased 8.7% year-on-year basis to 986 crores, whereas EBITDA margins have contracted nearly 310 BPS, that is basis points, to 7.4%. And likewise, terms PAT has also declined to 26.6% to 43 crores. Balaji Amines revenue has increased 19% to 627 crores, whereas its EBITDA margins have increased nearly 3%, that is 300 BPS to 27.6%. Kaveri Seeds board has approved a share buyback of up to Rs 125 crores at a share price of 700 rupees per share. Bharat Electronics have also reported their results and their revenue has increased 7.7% year-on-year basis to 1300 crores. The negative point is that EBITDA margins have contracted 150 BPS to 22%. PAT was down 0.1%, that is negligible. You can say PAT was in line. You can say PAT was very constant when you compare with year-on-year basis to 623 crores. We have picked Coal India as a chart of the day. You can see even though the market was not doing well, the stock has closed nearly 0.7% higher. Currently, the stock is trading near its pivot, that is 241. Actually, it closed above its pivot. However, the volume is not on the higher side. That is a major concern. But on only lens, looking at both fundamental and technical parameters, EPS of 91 indicates a strong fundamental character of this stock. There is no doubt about this company. Technically also, RS rating of 76 indicates a strong outperformance of this stock compared to the general market. A by D rating of B minus is also very good. Number of funds, which is another key parameter we look into, is also doing very well. You can see here, starting from September 2021, 494 number of funds. On quarter-on-quarter basis, it has increased consistently to 620 by the end of June 2022. This shows a significant interest for this stock among the institutional investors. For any stock, you should always see the support of institutional investors because they have very big money. Whenever the stock is falling or whenever the general market is not doing good, these institutional investors will give support for stocks. So always invest in those stocks which have good institutional amount support of institutional investors. Also, if there is an increase of institutional investment in those stocks, definitely that reinforces your investment idea. So this is another key parameter we look into stocks if you are looking to evaluation while adding our stocks to model portfolio. You can see the fundamental character of the stock on quarterly numbers. EPS and sales have grown nearly triple digit on both in the last 4 quarters on both quarter-on-quarter and yearly basis, which is a very good sign. So overall, on both fundamental and technically, we are liking this story. Only because of not so good market condition, we are not adding stocks to a model portfolio. Otherwise, if you have this stock in your model portfolio, if you are in your portfolio, sorry, you can continue to hold it, and you can keep a stop loss regarding your buy price. And if you are looking into technical stop loss, definitely the stock breaches its 50 DMA on high volume, that should be taken as an sell route. Thanks for joining today's afterwards. We hope to see you again at tomorrow's pre-bell.